Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to dispute a transaction on NAB internet banking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to dispute a transaction on NAB internet banking, what you do is when you might need to dispute, you don't recognize the charge, you were charged twice for the same transaction, you cancelled a service or subscription but still charged, and the goods or services weren't received or were fault. In order to dispute a transaction, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up the NAB banking application, then simply tap on login on the bottom of the screen and log into credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is from your home screen, simply tap on accounts if you aren't, and then select the account with the disputed transaction. Then find and click the transaction in your transaction list, and then on tapping that transaction you'll find an option that says dispute transaction. If available, simply tap on that and then fill out the dispute form with details, reason for dispute, date, amount and margin. Once done, all you gotta do is tap on submit and note your reference number as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.